Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Facebook Marketplace. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Facebook, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, as you can see, Facebook is one of the best or one of the most famous social media platforms that you can use to post something, to to post contents or whatever like that. And also Facebook can now be used to sell some products, whether it's a physical product, digital products, or any types of service that you want to sell. So now what you're going to do to sell your digital products, so you can just go to the marketplace on your homepage, just click marketplace right here. And after you click on marketplace, you will be redirected to this page. And right here on this page, you just need to create a new listing. So as you can see, there's on the dashboard, you can see a bunch of best picks or best selling products on the Facebook marketplace. As you can see, it's a bunch of physical products. And yes, as you can see, there's a bunch of digital products too. So if you want to sell your digital products, for example, if you want to sell your a digital product like online course or an ebook, let's say, so make sure that you already have your digital product ready. So if you want to, for example, if you don't have a digital product, you can sell. You can just go to the some of the best website for creating multimedia content, just like Canva right here. You can go to Canva and edit and create an ebook or any type of digital product. So there's a bunch of templates that you can use too. That's why it's much easy. So for example, this one. So let's say we customize this one and make it our own. Since it is customized, you can just sell it right here on the Facebook Marketplace. What you're going to do is to click create a new listing. So you need to choose a listing type, whether it's an item for sale, vehicle for sale, home for sale, or rent. So let's choose item for sale. And after that, let's wait until this uh, page is loaded. So let's say we download it, this one. So this is only an example. So make sure that you don't download a simple or copycat of a template on Canva and upload it on Facebook. You're gonna get banned. Make sure that you don't sell any so make sure that you don't sell your plagiarize work on marketplace so that you can avoid getting banned. So now if you want to download an items, so for example a digital product, make sure that you add photos. So let's say let's add a photo of this cover page right here. So let's add a photo, this one. So yes, right here. And for the title page, let's say ebook for sale, and you need to input a price you want, let's say 100,000. And under category, you just need to input the type, this type of products, let's say books, music, and magazines. Since it's an ebook, it falls under books right here. Okay, let's find another type. No, there's no ebook, so let's just choose books right here. And for the condition, whether it's new, used, like new, good, or fair, it's up to you. And lastly, on the description, make sure that you input the best description you can provide to your digital product, since this is how it would look like on the marketplace. So make sure that your description will appear right here. Make sure that it looks good so that it attracts customers' attentions. So let's just add a random description right here, but make sure that you make this one uh, very good. And for the product tags, so if you want to add tags, it's very much important so that your uh your product will be listed under famous tags. For example, like books, so that people can see it when they go to those tags. And also your location. So make sure that you complete these two meta preferences, whether you want to sell your digital product public, or door pickup, or door drop up. So it's up to you. So as you can see, since it's an ebook, there's no meta preferences, just like an email. So since this is a digital product, you can just send it on your email, but you can uh, on that for that case, you can just talk to the customers that you can meet them, and you can just email the digital product itself. So you can just choose whatever you want right here. And also you can boost the listing after publish. So after you're done that, just click next. And after that, just click the list publicly on marketplace, or you can list it in your group and click publish, and that's it. So after you click publish, your product will actually be added on your Facebook page and on the marketplace page on Facebook. And yes, that's it. That's how you can sell digital products on Facebook Marketplace. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.